Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, today in this video we will be playing Mortal Kombat. So guys, let's begin today's video without any further delay. In the previous video we have done a quick battle. So in this video we will be fighting a normal battle and with my same characters, but I have upgraded them. I have upgraded all the characters to their maximum level, leaving Sub-Zero. Wait, I will show you in my collection. Let the full screen be get loaded. It will take some time, but it. So guys, finally it is loaded. And now let me, okay, put this across. Now I will show you my characters in my collection, and as you all see that I am left with a very few coins. Sub-Zero I have upgraded a little bit only, not I have upgraded to its full maximum level, but I will do it soon. Just I upgraded its ice ball so that it can give more damage. Now Shiryu, I have equipped some equipments also, and I have upgraded it to its full extent. And now let me show you Shurian. Shurian, let's see, do we have any more accessories left? I don't think so. Oh, we are left with one accessories. Okay, so let's equip in Shurian. So we have equipped it. We equipped that equipment to Shurian, and as you all know that I don't play with Monk, so its level is also very low. But in my another account the level is a bit high, and I have upgraded nothing. So without any wasting any time further, let's begin our battle. So guys, one thing I recently get to know that in faction wars we do not fight against real players. We fight against bots, which you call robots or bots or the AI. Okay, so fight online and normal battle. So we have selected normal battle. It's finding opponents. So let us wait for 5 seconds. Okay, fight. Let's see what is being written here. If you want to play on 2 devices, create a WP Play account. Tap your war banner. Logging into a device with your WP Play account will load your cloud save. So guys, let me tell you, I have another Mortal Kombat account in my another phone, but I don't want to play with it because I want to start everything from the beginning. So for now I am a beginner. In that account I am been in level 25 or 26. I didn't remember properly, but I am level 25 or 26. Maybe in the upcoming videos I may log in into that account. So for now let's play with this account only. So let it get fully loaded. So we have got Sonya Blade. Oh. We can do it, guys. We can do it. Another attack. And we won. So guys, first of all it was little lagging because I was playing and recording. So first of all, for the first 15 seconds you will get some lag, but after that the lag will be fixed. Okay, now it's time for our next battle in the faction wars. That means next ladder battle. As you all know that in normal battle we have to fight 3 battles. So I have fighted 1, then 2, then 3. The thing that I like most about factions wars normal battle, that is it will give you souls, and I love souls, and you all know that in Mortal Kombat the most important thing is souls. All thing is needed is souls. So let us read what is it's been telling. Blind opponents will occasionally whiff, causing only minor damage. I think Johnny Cage is a blind opponent, so do let me know in the comments that if Johnny Cage is a blind opponent or not. So let's be prepared for our next fight. And I am prepared. Sub-Zero. If I upgrade Sub-Zero, then it will be better. Oh, I am losing. Oh, all thanks to Sub-Zero. All thanks to Sub-Zero. We won this battle. And my lights got off. Current gone. Oh, but do not panic. I am using a portable Wi-Fi hotspot, so if the current gets off, it will not affect my lighting condition. And I have leveled up my account, as you can all see. So now let's move on to our next barrel. So load fast. If your team is out of energy, try using other cards in your collection who have full energy. Okay, I will use, and this is normal thing. Let's fight. My characters are little higher than theirs. Track your feat of strength progress as you battle by checking the feats of strength pop-up menu after each match. And guys, one good news. The current came back. But nothing of me. Just it went for 1 minute. So let's begin for the barrel.
enjoying your beatdown?
Oh shit! I got defeated in the last round. Oh. This was my first normal battle video, and the 2 round I won and the last round I lost. Anyways guys, I thought that there was still a chance of winning, so I hope that you like the video, and I know that you're a little disappointed with the last round, but I will try my best because I am a rookie, guys. It has been only 2 days I have been using this account, and in that account I have been having some better characters, so I am little having some difficulty in managing the account. So I will try that account in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, and in that video I got 7 views within 20 hours. I hope in this video we will get 10 views, at least 10 views I want within 20 hours. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye guys.